Namaste. Welcome to our Navayoga Studios YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive the notifications as soon as we upload any new video. Also, like, share, and if you have any comments or queries, please feel free to drop in the comments below. In this video, we are going to learn the basic Surya Namaskara, posture corrections, also the names of Surya Namaskara and breathing pattern. So please do not skip the video. Please watch until the end. And if you are a beginner and if you are doing sun salutations regularly, you can correct all the postures and remember the names of all the asanas correctly. This is the beginner's traditional way of Surya Namaskar. In this session today we shall learn Surya Namaskara practice, the basic sun salutations with the corrections and minor mistakes. We will teach you in the first round and then followed by the breathing technique, how you are going to follow in each asana. Now stand in front of the mat in Tadasana with both the feet together, palms beside your body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Relax yourself before you start. Hands in front of the chest with Pranamasana or prayer pose. Inhale, rise up to Hasta Uttanasana. Arch back slightly. This is the rise armed pose. Exhale, bend forward. Hands beside your foot. If you want, you can slightly bend your knees and try to touch your forehead to the knee. Palm should be beside your foot. Padahastasana or forward bend pose. Now slowly take back your right leg to Ashwasanchalanasana. The front foot should be in 90 degree. The back foot should be on the mat, knee rested, and your foot should be relaxed. You are not going to tuck your toes. This is called as the equistraight pose. Now exhale, go to Parvatasana, the mountain pose. You try to touch your heels on the mat, rise your hips up, try to bend more and more down and adjust yourself. Now push your body in front and come to Palakasana. You should be arranged in a sliding position. That should be a line drawn, sliding line. Okay, your hips should not be completely raised up or it should not be bent down. It should be in a straight sliding position. The Palakasana is called as plank pose. Now you drop your knees, chest and chin on the mat. This is the 8-limbed pose or Ashtanga. Your both the foot, knees, chest, palms and chin. All the 8 limbs is on the mat and with your buttocks raised up. Inhale, scoop up to Bhujangasana with elbows bent. You are not going to straighten your elbows. Elbows should be bent slightly. This is called as Cobra pose. Exhale, go back to Parvatasana. The same corrections which we did in the starting. You try to touch your heel on the mat. Try to go down with the hips raised up. Take the same leg whichever we took in before. Right leg forward to Ashwasanchalanasana. Relax your knee, foot. Make sure your front foot is in 90 degree. Look front. Do not bend your head. Take the other leg forward to Padahastasana. Again the same corrections. Bend your knees slightly if you are a beginner and try to touch your forehead to the knee. Again rise up, arch back to Hasta Uttanasana and come to Pranamasana Samastiti. Let's continue doing on the left side. Now in this we will teach you the breathing pattern and breathing technique. followed by all the asanas name. From Pranamasana, take a deep breath in and breathe out before we start. Now rise up your hands. Inhale to Asta Uttanasana. Exhale to Padahastasana. Inhale, left leg back to Ashwasanchalanasana. Other leg back. Exhale to Parvatasana. Push your body in front. Inhale to Palakasana. Exhale to Ashtanga. Inhale to Bhujanga. Exhale to Parvatasana. Left leg forward to Ashwasanchalanasana. Inhale. Exhale to Padahastasana. Inhale to Asta Uttanasana and come to Samasthiti.